And Murad Interlation Life Improvement Award. Anyone can guess the winner? The winner will life improvement. Anybody can guess who is worth of life improvement? Haruhiko Inufusa. He's a medical doctor, an entrepreneur, and an inventor, and a professor at university. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sure you didn't expect it.
Thank you very much, Florian. Actually, I had granted the GAIM International Innovation Award.
3 years ago.
Yeah.
4 years ago.
Four years ago. And then I'm unexpected, and then I'm really appreciate for that award. And
this is the dawn on antioxidative therapy.
Yes,
so
true.
That's why
yes.
you are Life Improvement Award.
Thank you. Thank you very much, all. Thank you.
Okay. That's congratulations.